Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 5 says, find 13% of 92. So if we want to write this as an equation, as we've done in the previous 4 problems, we would look for the word is, but we don't see the word is. In this problem, find can be written as what is 13% of 92. And so if you have a problem with the word find in it, just rewrite that as what is. And then you can write your equation. Here's the word is, that's my equal sign. The what on the left side is my variable x. Here's my of, so I'm going to multiply 13% and 92. I'll write 13% in its decimal form, move the decimal 2 places to the left, that's 0.13, times 92. Since x is already solved for, all I have to do is punch 0.13 times 92 in the calculator, and I will find out that x equals 11.96. And so 13% of 92 would be 11.96. So don't forget, the word find is another way to say the phrase what is, and then you'll have your equal sign for the is.